Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this used Land Rover Discovery Landmark Edition. This Discovery is powered by a 3-litre diesel engine that produces 302 brake horsepower with automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. It's finished in the silver paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Moving into the boot, which can be opened automatically, and you'll find the Discovery offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. The folded seats in the boot can be adjusted to provide seating for 2 additional passengers. This is perfect for larger families or groups. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with this leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, you find your front seat with integrated armrests and power adjustment, alongside other features such as cup holders and USB ports and storage inside the armrest. From the multifunction steering wheel you can access a range of driver assist features and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, you can tune to FM and DAB channels with the radio feature. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is also available, furthering device connectivity. And navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Beneath the display you'll find your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. There are a range of terrain settings available for you to choose from. This Discovery comes equipped with parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up with ease. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Land Rover Discovery Landmark Edition that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.